Hey guys, we're back. Did you miss us? We are at C&D Soho today and it is Halloween week. So I thought, why not give you guys a sneak peek into the shop to see how we get all the Halloweeny cupcakes ready. Today we are in the kitchen with Sarah and Anna. Sarah is the bakery manager and Nikki is behind the camera. It's all gonna be fun and games. I know that you're gonna have a good time. So let's see what we get up to. So the first cupcake I'm decorating is called Eaten Death, which is a play on our regular Eaten Mess cupcake. So it's a strawberry sponge filled with a delicious roasted strawberry goo. And then it's topped with vanilla buttercream, which is laced with these cocoa-y meringues. And they're just so delicious. And then you've got like raspberry goo on top drizzled. So you've got strawberry, raspberry, cocoa and vanilla. It's just a delight to eat and it looks pretty gory too. Choose one cupcake. I would say the pumpkin one. It's just so soft and squishy and the cream cheese icing is like a nice, cool, calm and collected addition to the cupcake. Plus it's black and white and it has colourful sprinkles, so go off. So the next cupcake I'm doing is the key lime die, and this one is a fresh lime sponge, and then it's got a base on the cupcake as well. It's this Oreo base, it's got a black base on there. Looks pretty cool, looks like dirt in the ground. Death. And then it's filled with a bright neon lime curd, and then it's topped with a lime Swiss meringue buttercream and a splat of the same neon lime curd. And then a chocolate pie crumb, which is obviously also black, made with black cocoa. It's nearly opening time. And these key lime dies are nearly finished, but I'm just gonna add like a little extra sprinkling because the pie crumb looks like a little bit too neat. So basically, I'm just gonna scrunch up the pie. No, that's a lie. I'm gonna get some Oreo crumbs because they're already crumbed up and just add them on top. Is the last cupcake on the counter. And look how scary this all looks. So cool, right? Get a shot of this, but then also we need to show you what's going on in the window because there's something very cool and scary going on in the window too.
My favorite treat on the counter this week is pumpkin s'mores cookie. It's got pumpkin cookie, Italian meringue, chocolate ganache. It's the best of both worlds. My favorite, absolutely. My favourite this week is the raspberry rains. It's really simple because it's just raspberry pretty much all over, but it's effective and it does the job, hits the spot, especially the little mini ones if you need like a little afternoon sugar rush.
Well, hi there. Gemma the Witcher. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this sneak peek behind the scenes at Crumbs Doilies over Halloween. I'm actually really upset that Halloween is today and tomorrow is there's no longer a reason for me to get dressed like this and no longer a reason for us to have cakes out. They're so good with eyeballs and gut. We love Halloween. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you so much. If you've come to the shop and bought some Halloween cupcakes, let us know if you've ever visited us at Halloween. We'd love to hear from you. And also, we'll be back next week with another video. So until then, stay safe. Don't get eaten by any ghouls or cursed by a witch.